Hello, this is Lynn. Today I can show you how easily you can put SPX Graphics in Ecamm Live. Let's start it by taking the URL in SPX under the application configuration. Let's copy the browser URL right here in the web playout layer. SPX acts as an overlay in Ecamm Live, so we can add an overlay right here. You can put any display name as you wish. I'm going to put SPX. Widget URL would be the one that we copy from SPX. Remember to put HD resolution, so width 1920 and height 1080. Frame rate would be 30 frames per second. Check both of the boxes, fill entire frame and keeping running. Now you can add widget overlay. SPX is there and ready as one of the overlays. Let's go back to SPX. We're going to run one of our projects and you can play any favorite rundown of yours. I'm going to play a demo with my name. Open rundown and start playing it in SPX. We can see that I have two rundown right here and go back to Ecamm Live. It should be there and ready, but I noticed that Ecamm Live has changed our URL to HTTPS, so you need to take it and change it to HTTP because SPX right now only supports HTTP and save. There you have it, SPX in Ecamm Live. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.